MS Word Keyboard Shortcut Essentials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you essential Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts to work faster. If you've ever felt slowed down by menus and mouse clicks, these shortcuts will help you move faster, write with confidence, and format like a pro. Most of what I'll show uses the Ctrl key on Windows. On a Mac, many of these map to Command, though exact keys can vary by version. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with the everyday essentials. Press Ctrl S often to save as you go, and Ctrl O to open an existing file. Need a clean start? Ctrl N creates a new document. When it's time to print, Ctrl P opens the print dialog, and if you want a new copy under a different name, F12 opens Save As. To close the current document window, use Ctrl W before you share anything. Tap F7 to run the editor and spell check and catch those easy-to-miss mistakes. For editing and text manipulation, the classics still rule. Ctrl C copies, Ctrl X cuts, and Ctrl V pastes. If you want to paste text without bringing in weird fonts or sizes, try Ctrl Shift V to paste as plain text. Made a mistake? Ctrl Z undoes the last action, and Ctrl Y redoes it. To quickly grab everything in the file, use Ctrl A. Need to search? Ctrl F opens Find, and when you're ready to make global changes, Ctrl H launches Find and Replace. Navigation is where the keyboard really shines. Ctrl Home jumps to the very beginning of your document, and Ctrl End takes you straight to the end. Move more precisely with Ctrl left or right arrow to hop word by word, and Ctrl up or down arrow to move one paragraph at a time. To select as you go, hold Shift and use the arrow keys for character or line selections. For larger jumps, use Ctrl Shift with the arrow keys to select a word or a paragraph at a time. And if you've been editing in multiple spots, Shift F5 cycles you back through your last 3 edit locations. Finally, formatting. Toggle bold with Ctrl B, italic with Ctrl I, and underline with Ctrl U. Align paragraphs with Ctrl L for left, Ctrl R for right, Ctrl E for center, and Ctrl J for justify. Adjust line spacing quickly with Ctrl 1 for single, Ctrl 2 for double, and Ctrl 5 for 1.5. To add bullet points instantly, press Ctrl Shift L, and when you need to change capitalization fast, Shift F3 cycles between lowercase, uppercase, and title case. Practice a few of these each day, and you'll feel the speed boost immediately. Thanks for watching, and happy typing. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.